up GitHub Alternatives Hosts Part 1. There are several other code hosting platforms that may not be as good as GitHub. But if you want to explore more options, I've listed some of them here as the 6 of GitHub Alternatives hosts. 1. GitLab. GitLab is the #1 choice to replace GitHub. It provides almost the same level of experience and features. In some cases, GitLab might be a superior option. 2. Bitbucket. Bitbucket is a version control repository hosting service from Atlassian. It is tightly integrated with other Atlassian project management tools like Jira, HipChat, and Confluence. This makes it a preferred choice for big enterprises. 3. SourceForge. SourceForge has been popular among open source projects. It may not be the most modern solution, but it provides essential features for collaboration and distribution of open source software. 4. Launchpad. Launchpad is a software collaboration platform by Canonical, the parent company of Ubuntu. Launchpad is extensively used by Canonical and projects around Ubuntu. It has been instrumental in providing the PPA and bug tracking for Ubuntu-related projects. 5. Google Cloud Source Repositories. Google Cloud Source Repositories is a good alternative for private repositories. You can get started for free with a limit of 5 users and 50 GB storage. You get a 12-month trial period. 6. AWS CodeCommit. AWS CodeCommit is a similar alternative to Google Cloud Source Repositories. Just like the Google Cloud Platform, AWS also provides a free tier that does not end when the trial ends. So, it's free forever if your usage is within the free tier limits as mentioned in their official documentation in the description below. You will find all links. Thank you for watching this video. I look forward to seeing you at the next one.